Drowning in emails. Let's build an email group in Gmail and instantly reclaim your sanity. First, open up Gmail and head over to Google Contacts. You can find it in the Apps menu, usually symbolized by a grid of dots in the upper right corner. Once you're in Contacts, look for the Create Contact button, or the plus icon, and give it a click. From the drop-down menu select Create a Contact, and now you'll need to enter the details of the contacts you want to add to your group, including their name and email address. Repeat this process until you've added all the people you want in your group. Next, on the left-hand side you'll see the Labels or Groups section. Click on Create Label. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to name your group. Choose something descriptive. Now, go back to your contacts and select each person you want to add to the group. A checkbox should appear when you hover your mouse over their profile picture. With your contacts selected, look for the Manage Labels or Groups icon. It often looks like a tag or a person icon with a plus sign. Click on that and find the group you just created in the list. Check the box next to the group name and click Apply. Now, when you compose a new email, just type the name of your group in the To field, and Gmail will automatically fill in all the email addresses of the members. Congratulations, you've just created your first email group. Streamline your communications and say goodbye to email chaos.